In this video, you'll learn how to increase the font size in Notion. By following these steps, you will be able to adjust text size to enhance readability and better fit your content needs. Begin by opening your preferred web browser, such as Google Chrome. This ensures you have a reliable platform to access Notion without any compatibility issues. Next, navigate to Notion by entering the website address in the browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you will be greeted by the Notion interface, where you can create or edit your pages. To modify the font size, either create a new page by clicking the plus icon or select an existing page that you have previously created. This action will open the page for you to edit. Now type in your title text in the designated area. This title will serve as the main heading for your content, so ensure it is clear and descriptive. After entering the title, click on a blank space within the page to start typing your content. This is where you can add paragraphs, lists, or any other elements you wish to include. Once you have your text ready, look for the three dots located in the upper right corner of the text block. Clicking on these dots will reveal additional formatting options for your text. To decrease the font size, select the option labeled small text. This will adjust the text size to a smaller format, making it suitable for less prominent content. Conversely, if you wish to increase the font size, you can click on the same three dots and choose the large text option. This will emphasize your text, making it stand out more in your document. It is important to note that Notion does not offer extensive options for font size adjustments. Once you have made your selections, the changes will be immediately reflected in your document.